Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 2A, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, my device is right now in a setup process, though this will not differ whatsoever, no matter if you are in a setup process, which kind of defeats the purpose, or if you're on your lock screen, home screen, so you can do that at any point. And even if you have a screen lock that you don't know, this will also allow you to get rid of it without needing to provide it. Now, to get started, we're gonna hold our power button for the boot menu. If it doesn't show you up once the device is set up, just by pressing power button, try something like power button and volume up, at which point it should bring it up. And then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up again. I'm gonna let go of the power button once the Nothing logo shows up, and this will take us to boot mode. Now in here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So make sure that the arrow jumps all the way to the top, and then press volume down to confirm it. As you can see, it says recovery mode. Give it a moment and it should actually boot us into it. Now, before it does, we are presented with Android, so hold power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. In here, I do understand that the text is super tiny. Using volume buttons, you want to select not recovery mode, but wipe data factory reset. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit closer. There we go. So you can now see it. So wipe data factory reset, and you can do that using volume buttons, as you can see. Now, once it's selected, you want to confirm it using your power button, and then select the second option, which is factory data reset. Confirm it. At the bottom, you should see data wipe complete, at which point Reboot System now will be selected by default, which is the first option. So press power button once more. This will now start off the reboot and also continue the reset of the device in the background. And once that is completed, we should be presented with Android setup screen. So anyway, I will be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.